Shane and I have been here for 13 years now, farming a mixed operation of beef cattle and cereal grains. We grow sorghum, chickpea and wheat.
We got two John Deeres S-Series. One's a S670 running a 41 foot Midwest, and the other's a S770 running a brand new 41 foot Midwest Premium Draper. We started off, I think, with a 2007 one. We bought off a contractor, moved up, I think, in 2009, 15, 17, 18, and now 25. And in our country with conduit, I think they're a must to have, the way they pivot and float.
We decided to get Midwest fronts. Well, firstly, they're an Australian-made company, but otherwise, just many features really. They very, very easy to operate, and they follow the ground very well, particularly in contoured country. A lot less maintenance to do, which is Shane's department, so he's happy with that.
Guess one of the biggest things is on the knife. There's no step up, so it just feeds straight in, and you see straight over the front. You can always see the knife, and there's never any build up behind the knife, straight onto the mats.
I think it just helps reduce a little bit of the crop loss. You know, when the knife cuts it off, it causes a bit of shaking on the crop. So just for the fact that it feeds straight in onto the mats, yeah, helps reduce that little bit of loss there. I think the biggest features that I think has made it a lot better to operate with from the Crophawk moving to these is the addition of the airbags into the adapter in the middle and on the ground wheels on the outside has made them very good products. One thing we've noticed too with the maintenance and keeping up with it is since we've got the Midwest knife guards, we have not broken one. You know, if there is an issue that there's people there we can contact directly that can, give us some support and get us back harvesting again.
We've been dealing with them, like I said, since, say, 2009. Talked to the owners, talked to the family, and the best thing there I found is a lot of the employees that were there then are still there now. So that's how we work. It's excellent.